Hello all, I welcome you all in the previous year paper solution series for APSC Prelims, and in this video we will solve the paper of 2009. So let's begin. Number 1, habeas corpus writ is associated with the production of person before the court. Habeas corpus is meaning is like this only, production of person before the court. Drip irrigation is mostly practiced in the India, especially for vegetables. Grey revolution is associated with production of cement. The purest form of gold is 24 carat, everyone knows. The National Flood Control for Flood Con- Control Program for Flood Control in India was launched in 1954. The Integrated Westland Development Program is sponsored by Government of India. In which state is the hill station Kodaikanal situated? It is in Tamil Nadu. It is also known as the Princess of all hill stations. And the mass of an iron piece when get rusted, it decreases its weight. Which is the longest river in Asia? It is Ob, which is spread in the western Siberian region. And what is the percentage of oxygen in the earth crust? It's 45% matlab. Name the country which is known as the land of morning calm. It is Korea. uh, Land of rising sun, it is Japan. Okay. What is the precise time taken by the earth for one rotation of its own axis? 24 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 second. The total area of Assam is 78,438 square kilometers. This is very important. The largest continent in the world is Asia. World largest producer of gold is Canada. When was Mizoram converted into an union territory? Remember this fact. Mizoram is converted into union territory in 1972, and it was given a status of statehood in 1986 or 87, you can say. Which is the world's longest railway line? It is Trans-Siberian line. What is happening? For a healthy adult Indian, the body mass index should be in the range of 18.5 to 24.9. Body mass index is calculated by the age and height. Uh, say then age, height, and weight, all things are calculated. Assam state enjoys a tropical climate. The Rai zone is situated at Assam's eastern zone, also known as Duars. The National Park of Assam, where the rare white-winged duck, our national bird, is found, is Namiri National Park. What is the name of the new island emerging out of the Bay of Bengal? It is Purbasa. 25th, big black hole is an object to be found in the sky, obviously in the universe and space. Minimum velocity required by a body to escape Earth gravitation or escape velocity is 11.2 km per second. Which one of the following is not an operating system of the computer? It is Sun 0.505. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? Ganymede. Okay. The pacemaker is implanted in the heart when one of the following is defective. Essay note. Of the total geographical area of Assam, the total area under forest is 22%. It is for that 2019 series, not now. It is more. Which one of the following is related to international trade? It is EXIM, ex, export and import. EXIM. Okay. Sorry for this is not clear, but I have to speak in this manner as well. When a person is undergoing prolonged fasting, his her urine will contain abnormal quantity of ketone. Science of improving human race is called eugenics. A photon will have less energy if its wavelength is longer. LPG is mainly a mixture of propane and butane. In the formal sense, Panchayati Raj was established in Assam in the year 1963. Very important question. The Planning Commission in India was established by the resolution of the central government. Which one of the following method is not provided by the Citizenship Act 1955 to acquire Indian citizenship? Is by exercising right to vote. ठीक है. Which one of the following types of budgeting is followed in India? Performance budgeting. One of the element of direct democracy is referendum. because it is not followed here in our country. Equality, free and fair election, universal adult franchise, all are followed, but referendum is not followed. That's why it is a element of direct democracy. Purna Swaraj resolution of the Congress was adopted on January 26, 1930. Okay. Then Article 80 of the Indian Constitution deals with the formation of Rajya Sabha. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to the independence of the Union Public Service Commission? It is Article 323. Which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India relates to language? Its 8th schedule. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Constitution of India on the basis of recommendation of the Swaran Singh Committee. The French philosopher Rousseau belonged to the 18th century. Which one of the following can initiate the process of impeachment of the President of India? Any house of the Parliament, because any house of the Parliament elects, because both the house actually elect together the President. Which one of the following is not part of the financial management? It is the execution and rendering of the accounts is not the part of financial management. Okay. Then comes under the Assam Panchayati Act 1994, the quorum for the meeting of the Gram Panchayat is 1/3 of the total numbers of members. Who is initiated the home rule movement in India? It is Inhibition and also Tilakji. The Indus Valley civilization belongs to the Chalcolithic or Chalcolithic age. It is Copper Age. Who among the following was the first to visit India? It is Megasthenes during the uh, court of Chandragupta Maurya. Ahilyabai was distinguished Maratha leader. During which period did the East India Company begin to build up its territorial power in India? It is in middle of the 18th century. What is the date of the third battle of Panipat? AD 1761. You will tell me third battle of Panipat where was fought between whom? Which act transferred power from the company to the crown in India? Act of 1858. The first railway line in India was laid in 1853. It was from Bombay to Thane and 34 kilometer. Remember this. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was given by the slogan was given by Muhammad Iqbal, but the slogan was popularized by Bhagat Singh. So if the question comes and Muhammad Iqbal is not there, Bhagat Singh is there, then tick Bhagat Singh. Okay. Which of the following events can be described to the year 1919? Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 1826, the Treaty of Yandabu were signed between the British practically occupied Assam from the Burmese. In which year the Burma annexed by the British? It was in 1891. Who wrote Bande Mataram? It is Bankim Chand Chatterjee. The earliest historical dynasty of Assam was that of the Burmans. The first tea company established in Assam was Assam Company Limited (ACL). The Indian National Congress was founded during the viceroyalty of Lord Dufferin in 1885. Do or die was a slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi during the time of Quit India movement. Which of the following land settlement system was followed in Assam? Rath Wari. A.O. Hume was a civil servant who made or who established Indian National Congress. The capital of British India was shifted to Delhi in the year 1911. The Indian National Army was headed by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Swadeshi movement started during anti-Bengal partition movement, 1905 or 6. If the deepest this is a thoda sa tricky question. If the deepest part of the ocean are about 10 kilometer and the radius of the earth is around 6,400 kilometer, then the depth of the ocean would represent what percent of the earth radius? See, this is radius kitna 6,400 and what is asked? The deepest is 10%. So 10 kilometer of this is इसका 10% कितना होगा 64 sorry 1% is 64 will be 64 getting my point 6400 का 1% will be 64 and what is asking is 10 kilometer so less than 1% would be the right answer. How are latitude and longitude lines drawn on a globe of the earth? The latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at poles. Like this way. If you remember, this is latitude, parallel lines, and this is longitude, which meets at both poles. Okay? Remember that. Okay. Which radioactive isotope is most useful for nuclear power generation? It is uranium 238. The third most abundant gas in the atmosphere is argon. The first one is nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen. After that, fourth, argon. Where is the headquarters of WTO? It is in Geneva. Who authored the book India from Midnight to Millennium? It is Sasi Tharoor. The first regular census in India was carried out in the year 1881 in the viceroyship of Ripon, Lord Ripon. Who was the first Secretary General of UNO? Tigwi Lai. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research IGCAR is located at Kalpakkam. The Bhakra Dam is located in Himachal Pradesh on Satluj River. Which planet takes more time to complete one rotation on its axis than to complete one revolution around the sun? It is Venus. Who chairs the Planning Commission in India? Prime Minister of India. Sanjukta Panirathi was popular exponent of which Indian classical dance from Odissi? Swine flu is caused by virus. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha from Assam? It is 7, and in Lok Sabha it is 14. The states which have common boundaries with Bangladesh are West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. Everyone knows. And if you don't know, do watch my video. The average gradient of the Brahmaputra within Assam is 18 centimeter per kilometer. Which find the odd pair out. Dheer Bhil is in Dhubri, Khamrenga Bhil is in Kamrup, Tamranga Bhil is in Bongaigaon, and Mir Bhil is not in Jorhat, it is in Dibrugarh. Clouded leopard and capped langur are important animals of Nameri Wildlife Sanctuary. The slogan of the Commonwealth will came not required. The National Highway 1 connects New Delhi to Amritsar. Which one of the following states is not touched by Tropic of Cancer? It is Bihar. The famous fort Sonar Killa is located in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Which one of the following is not a tributary to Indus? It is Chambal. It is a tributary to Narmada. Or this Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed in the river Narmada. Bermuda Triangle is located in Caribbean Sea. Waterloo is located in Belgium. The vast grassland of Australia is known as Don. Or which strait divides Europe from Africa? It is Gibraltar, Strait of Gibraltar. And then not required. So this was all important question of 2009 of APSC Prelims series. So thanks for watching, and if you like it, do like my channel and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.